Again, folks, welcome to Nicole's Review. I have right now with me Sarah Shostak. She's a nurse from Cambridge Hospital. Sarah, please tell us about yourself.
Well, I've been a nurse now for about 9 years, and I have worked with a lot of patients and patients that has breast cancer. And a lot of the patients or the women today, they don't know how to go about breast cancer. Because me, you, anybody can get breast cancer. And we should know about prevention, which is one of the best things to do is prevent yourself. And how you do prevention. You know, you just do a mammogram.
Exactly.
You know, is one of the first things you have to do is just go to the hospital, talk to your doctor, talk to your nurse, talk to your family, and do also the
examination. Yes,
you can do in home.
Absolutely.
Which is the circular motion around the breast area, looking for any abnormal findings.
Okay.
And if you see that anything is kind of hard and round and it's not moving, that is
a sign.
A sign of go to your doctor and say something is wrong with me. Can you please check that and let's go. And your doctor gonna examine you and is gonna say, well, let's go for a CAT scan or mammography, you know, and let's see what's going on with you. And that's one of the first things that everybody should do. Is self-examination, mammogram. And be aware. Talk to your doctor, talk to the nurse, talk to anybody. Even someone that also had breast cancer before can be someone you can just go and call and says, you know, how did you find out? What happened with you? You know,
talk
be
to each
aware.
other.
Talk to each other. Be informed.
Be there for each other.
Yeah,
as women, we all should be.
Yeah,
it's a disease we all share.
I know, because breast cancer, as any other cancer, it is very difficult for the family. You know, when you are diagnosed with breast cancer, you go to the phases of, you don't believe you got this.
Right.
How can I get this? My family, nobody in my family has breast cancer ever. And how can I am diagnosed with this disease? So you just have to be informed. And one of the best things to do, as I said, is just look for help.
Absolutely.
And there is a lot of hospitals and a lot of clinics in Boston that deals with breast cancer. Mass General Hospital is huge in breast cancer now.
Yes.
And you just talked earlier with
the Avon.
Allison, you know, that is working hard towards raise money to help people that don't have the money to take care.
Go get the mammogram.
Yes, take care of themselves. In a lot of countries, we are talking about the U.S. that has this power, you know, of having the walk and having help.
There's a lot of help in the U.S. Yes, absolutely.
But how about other countries? Do you know any other countries that?
I do know Germany has help. Brazil has help. They do have work for breast cancer. There's about 7 different countries. Italy, they have one. France. A lot of other countries are doing that, but I'm not sure if the Caribbean, you know, are more involved in it. But that's what I know so far. But tell me a little bit about how the risk, you know, what about the steps? You know, can you tell us about that?
Actually, the stages.
The stages.
You know,
would you tell me about that?
We have so many different types of breast cancer. It is. I think it's about like 300 types of breast cancer.
Wow.
So imagine everybody goes with each person, you know, it's different genes, it's different types of breast cancer. But the first stage of breast cancer is what they call in situ, which is just a little round circular lesion that happens in the breast. Some people say it's not cancerous yet, but it is the first stage. It's called the stage 0.
Say stage 0. That's good to know, folks. Stage 0.
Yeah, that's when cancer starts waking up in the body and in the breast. And the cells around the breast is not yet involved with the disease. So if you don't go and get help, then the surrounding cells around the breast is going to start to get that disease. The cancer cells is going to start to spread.
Okay.
And then it goes to stage 2. And the stage 2 is the cancer, is the carcinoma cancer.
Okay.
And then you're going to have to go through much more
advanced
technology to remove or to remove the whole breast or remove part of it.
If you cut it on stage 2, is there any chances you might be able to survive? Or
well, we lose a lot of women with breast cancer because cancer is cancer. Doesn't matter if it is in the breast or anywhere
wherever
else.
it is. Yeah,
we don't have like a cure for it, but we can prevent if it is on a stage 0. Maybe it is like such a small area that can be removed, and. But if they wait until it gets to stage 2, then it gets more damaging to the area, and sometimes it needs to remove the whole entire breast or areas of the breast. And then comes the problem with the depression.